Knowing the power requirements ensures that the lab can meet the operational conditions of the device. Power requirements overview. Electrical input, voltage. Typically 102.40 V AC. Frequency, 50/60 Hz. Importance. Ensures compatibility with the local electrical grid. Power consumption, average, around 501,000 watts during operation. Importance. Helps estimate energy costs and plan for adequate power supply. Cord length, varies between 1-2 meters. Importance. Facilitates placement near power outlets. Plug type, standard 3-pin plug. Importance. Ensures compatibility with standard wall sockets. Surge protection. Recommendation. Use surge protectors. Importance. Protects the device from voltage fluctuations. Understanding the power requirements is crucial for ensuring that the lab can meet the operational conditions of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding power requirements, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.